Hello friends, welcome to the second episode of MCQ series for SET examination teaching aptitude. So the rules of this MCQ series videos, you should pause the video when question appears on your screen. Try to answer the answer. Anyways, answer I will give in the same in a lecture. And you, if possible, you write down your score in the comment section. So it will help you to assess yourself. So let's start, friend. So the first question is, which one of the following is a reference management software? So friends, the options are A. EndNote, B. Turnitin, C. Copyscape, and D. Viper. So friends, if you look at these softwares, you please have idea of this. So B, C, and D, Turnitin, Copyscape, and Viper are plagiarism check software, and the only question that option A, EndNote, is a reference management software. So the answer is EndNote. So remember, EndNote is reference management software, and Turnitin, Copyscape, and Viper are plagiarism check software. Okay, so moving on to the next question. So our next question is, what is the full form of AICTE? So friends, it is AICTE. We always hear this here, or we read across everywhere. You see AICTE approved, AICTE affiliated. So what is this AICTE? So the four options are All India Committee of Technical Education, All India Committee of Technical Technology and Education, All India Council of Technical Education, and All India Council of Trade Education. So obviously trade education is ruled out here, option D. So friends, if you see, all the options are, if you look at it, all the options look similar, but the option here, the correct option is option C, All India Council of Technical Education. Okay friends, so our next question, question number third is, dash dash is the essential quality of the best teacher. So friends, I hope this question is easy, but it looks easy, but you will see that all the options are quite like that can be the quality of the best teacher. So option A is strong subject knowledge, that is must. B, genuine interest in teaching, that is also must. C, language fluency, that is required. And good presentation, it is an added benefit. So friend, if you see, these are all the qualities of teacher. But sir, we should also think that every person will not have all the qualities. All it need to teach is a desire or interest in teaching. If you have interest, you can improve on all other A, C, and D factor. Like you can improve on your presentation skill, you can improve on your language fluency, you can improve on your subject knowledge by studying hard. But for that, all you need is genuine interest in the teaching. So genuine interest in the teaching is the right answer here. So genuine interest in the teaching. Okay, moving on to our next question. The selection of teaching aid depends largely on the age of student. Obviously it depends on the age of student, interest of student. Yes, it also depends on the interest of student, and age and motivation of the student. Yes, it do depends on the age and motivation of the student. And option D is educational level and age of the student. So friends, here this selection of teaching aid, it depends on educational level and age of the student. Why? Because see, age of the student is same in it is given in the three options A, C, D. But the education level also is important. If you are using the same ad which you are using for the class 1 and the class 12, so that won't help. So in this case, you have to use, see, motivation of the student. There is no relation with teaching ad for that. So the option D, educational level and age of the student, is the correct here. Now moving on to our next question, friends. Okay, the question is, the main objective of teaching is to facilitate learning. Option A. B. Option B is to give information about unknown facts. Option C is to use teaching aid to simplify content. Option D is to form good learning habits in student. So friends, the main objective of teaching, like if you see all the options you feel ki okay, all options can be the option, but we have to use the most probable and most possible answers. So to give information about unknown facts, see these things, this cannot be the objective of the teaching, so option B ruled out here. C, to use teaching aids to simplify the content, yeah, this is good, but this cannot be the objective of the teaching. See, teaching aids helps in teaching, but that should not be the objective. Now we have come across option A and D. So to form good learning habits in student, yeah, that also is an objective, but to facilitate learning, to make learning easier for the student should be the teaching main objective of the teaching. So the answer here is to facilitate learning. So friends, these were our 5 MCQs for today. I will be uploading more such episode based on your response. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Global Online University. Thank you.